guys? We're out here doing some drone flying. The house in Maine. Got B-Rad on the sticks. Gonna head down here to the dock. Man, it is a beautiful day. Brad, get the drone near me. Wait till you guys see this view. That's what I wake up to every morning in the summertime. Here it is. Beautiful. We have a lot of fun out here. We got some dirt bikes, a boat. What else? We got jet skis. Can't forget about those. Oh, here we got the drone coming in. All right. Whoa, 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 Brad. Stop, stop, stop. Brad, stop, stop. All right, we're on our way to the golf course. We were just doing some drone film, if you guys can see that, but B-Rad crashed the drone. I'll throw the clip in the edit, but just a little issue. Nothing major, a little prop broken, so we're gonna be back up later. I'm gonna stop at Best Buy and grab some new props, but right now we're about to hit the golf course, and so we'll check back in later. Oh, we out here on the golf course. You know what sucks about golf? It's never consistent. Have a good shot, have a bad shot, and who fucking knows, man? So we're on third hole. Got a shot out of the sand. Beautiful day though, I mean, look at this. Beautiful out here. So I'm gonna get some more shots for you guys on the course today. Beautiful day outside. I'm about to get out right here on the sand. Got my my hybrid, so we'll check back in later. A little bit of that delivery, food delivery. What we got here? Oh, baby. Shot an 84, not bad. I mean, it's 13 over, I think. So, first 18 of the year, nothing bad. Great course here in New Hampshire. So I'm gonna roll back to school in Mass.